Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. Today we're going to be whipping up some queso, made from plants of course. So for this nacho cheese, we're going to start with a cup of raw cashews. You want to get those soaking for at least 30 minutes or so. I used 2 cups of hot water. I nuked the water for about 4 minutes. Next, juice a real lemon. Grab 1 1/2 tablespoons of that juice for your cheese. Use the rest in some drinking water to hydrate. You're going to want to drain your cashews after they get nice and soft. You can pinch them between your fingers. You want to get 1.5 cups of fresh water, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. You're going to put all these things into a food processor. Next, spice it up. Cumin, paprika, salt, you know the deal. All right, we're going to blend and we are going to fail miserably. I did not listen to myself on my previous video when I stated that you need to use a single serving size blender or else there will not be enough blade contact and you will end up with a chunky mixture. I ended up with a chunky mixture, so I transferred this into a single serving size blender and look how nice and creamy it became. All right, we're going to spice it up again, this time Sriracha. That way you don't have to use onion powder or garlic powder. There's onion and garlic in Sriracha. So we're just going to stir this around over medium heat until it gets to the consistency that you desire. I stopped right about here as I'm using this as a sauce on a chimichanga, a deep fried burrito made with black beans. If you'd like that recipe, comment below. I can give that to you. All right, let's get into the giveaways. Thug Kitchen 101. This is not a recipe from that book, but that book is awesome. It gives you everything you need to set up your plant-based kitchen. And we're going to be giving away one of those books at the 500 subscriber mark. So please remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Comment below if you like this recipe. Comment below if you didn't like this recipe. Definitely let me know if you failed and ended up with a chunky mixture on your first try like I did. So again, thanks for watching, and we're going to do a lot of these videos. We're going to get better as we go along. Thanks, y'all.